Hey everyone, Grok AI just got a massive update on X, including the new 3D AI companions. If you've been looking for that Grok button and can't find it, or you want to know how to unlock the companion mode, I've got you covered. Here is the 2026 guide to enabling Grok. Let's get into it. Step 1. Getting the right ticket. While Grok has basic free access in some regions, the full experience, including the new Grok 4 module and companion mode, requires a subscription. On your X profile, navigate to the Premium tab. You will need either the Premium Plus or the dedicated Super Grok tier. Once your sub is active, the Grok features will unlock instantly in your sidebar. Step 2. Finding the Grok icon. Now, where is it? Well, on mobile, look at the bottom navigation bar. There's a new radar or brain-shaped icon right in the center. You can tap that to enter the Grok interface. On desktop, it's even easier. Just look at your left-hand sidebar menu. You will see the Grok text button right under the Explore tab. Step 3. Enabling 3D AI companion. This is the new part. Inside the Grok app, tap the settings gear in the top right. Look for the toggle that says Enable Companions. Once you turn that on, you can select a 3D avatar. These companions use voices and 3D animations to talk back to you in real time. It's a huge step up from just a text box. Step 4. Pro features. Deep Search and Think. Finally, don't miss the new modes. Use Deep Search if you want Grok to verify real-time news on X with sources. Use Think mode for complex coding or math. And a quick tip for privacy. If you don't want your post used to train Grok, head to Settings, then Privacy, then Data Sharing, and toggle that off. Grok is definitely the edgiest AI out there right now. And with the 3D companions, it's getting pretty wild. If you have any trouble finding the icon or getting your subscription to show up, let me know in the comments down below and I'll help you troubleshoot. And that's pretty much it. I hope this helped you out and I'll see you in the next one.